Laser, Hangar Cats, Lex Innovations, Electron Motors, Gilbert Quiet Wires, and E-Power RC. And again, if you're hungry, make sure you see Press Italian and Tasty Hogs Barbecue. I'm not sure if both of them are there yet today, but I know Press Italian is. And you have your numbers visible to us up here at the booth, so that we can in turn announce you if you've turned in your pilot raffle sheet.
I was like, why do I have to tell you that?
Or your pilot sheet, excuse me.
Okay.
That beautiful Super Cub up there, right over the announcer booth. That's Phil Todd. Phil comes to us from Chandler, Arizona. He took the long way over here today. But anyway, it's a beautiful yellow Super Cub there that you'll see coming across the runway.
Landing.
That Cub will really run well too on a twin glow engine.
Yeah, but it'll sound like crap. Hey.
Oh, I'm gonna land once he's down.
There you go. Come on, baby. 4, 6, 6.
That was a bouncy landing by my friend Vic.
Yeah, we'll take one.
Hey, man, we're gonna land.
We got somebody crossing the field out there.
Landing left and right.
Hey, there it is.
We got 2 wheels now.
Yeah, we're good.
What happened to the other wheel?
Sometimes it doesn't come down.
We found somebody with a soldering iron, so if you want to come back, fella has a soldering iron up here. There he is.
Yeah, I got Gonna come downwind. Low pass right to left.
Oh, that beautiful aircraft that just went. Manufacturer's top light. The motor is a Rimfire 50cc with a Castle 160 speed control. He's using it for this beautiful
I got
aircraft coming
one.
through.
There's the other one.
Thanks, James, for a beautiful aircraft.
I see you taught him well.
Yeah, Mike's got a number of that one.
Yeah.
Retracts are down right now.
Landing left to right.
He's setting to come in.
Just to call me in there, almost on the run. That wasn't me. It's gonna go away from you a little bit.
Just taking off in that beautiful plane is James Lashmit from San Jose, California. That's a Hangar 9, 150 size P-51. Manufacturer is Hangar 9.
I hate to say it.
It's powered by a 160 motor. That's a Castle HV120 speed control. He has a 10S 5,000 milliamp batteries, 40C. And he has Rovart electric retract, and it's detailed for a skeleton pile figure. So beautiful, beautiful plane. Once that comes in, if you guys get a chance, take a look at it close up. That Hangar 9 P-51.
Yeah. Right outboard motor. In and out. And I probably went through a good portion. When I see the pictures, I want to see.
And there goes the P-51. Up in the air, flying the great big Sport Cub from AeroWorks is Phil Todd from Gilbert, Arizona. The Sport Cub is from AeroWorks. He has a Hacker 860 motor in there with a Castle Creations 120 HV speed control. The battery size is a 5,000 milliamp 10 cell. So a beautiful Sport Cub up there, as you can see. Phil's plane coming across nice and slow.
Here we go. Oh yeah.
Slam the brakes on, they'll fly right by you.
We were watching that the other night. We're gonna slam the brakes and he'll fly right by. What?
Not any lower, no lower, that's enough.
You can drag it flat for the week.
Scaring the mouse world.
Wait, someone's coming out. Just taking off.
Four laps, and I hit that tree right there. I was coming around. Whoops.
No, it's fine. I'll keep going. What did you do?
On the runway.
Woo! Scott?
Actually, it's probably just a tail wheel.
Landing from the left. Gonna be landing number 2 behind him. Okay.
You guys got like 4,000 packs in there or what?
45.
We got 8,000 in here. I'll be here for days.